How to fix not eligible for Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like if the video helps. So now let's head to the video. First, you open your Pinterest app. Here clearly it shows my Pinterest is working, but on your screen it will show that you're not eligible. So there are only two solutions for this problem. First, I would recommend you all that go to your mail address Gmail and officially change your age to 20 plus or 18 plus. And second option is, if you want to start fresh, you can make another Gmail account, log in your Pinterest and make sure that Gmail account is above 18 or 20, and that will solve the problem. But I would suggest you, if you have a lot of data in your Pinterest already and it shows not eligible, make sure you go to your original Gmail and change your age from 10 or 14 to 21 or 18, but it has to be 18 plus. So make sure you follow those steps and change your Gmail age address, and this will fix the problem of Pinterest showing not eligible for you as a person. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.